I'm going to read The Brave Little Bird. Pepito was afraid of heights, so when it was time to leave the nest, he decided that he would go his own way. Do you see him crawling down the tree? But how? You should run like me, said the fox. So Pepito ran until he came to a fence. When I come to a fence, I hop, said the frog. So Pepito hopped. It looked like smooth sailing until he came to a river. Can you swim? Asked the fish. I can try. So Pepito swam. He was making real progress. But then he came to a busy road. Why don't you fly over? Asked the gopher. I'm afraid of heights, said Pepito. Then why not go under? So Pepito burrowed under. There he came out the other end. Finally, he saw his brothers and sisters' new tree. Do you see them up there? They're way up high in that tree. He was so happy that he climbed right up. Pepito, they cheered. How did you get here? I ran, I hopped, I swam, I burrowed, and I climbed. His brothers and sisters were very impressed. But Pepito, they said, if you are brave enough to do all those things, then you must be brave enough to fly. So they all flew off. And Pepito led the way.